If you're breaking down, stop, surely. When you've got a puncture, don't just keep driving and driving and driving. Clueless. So you're turning your I've got a puncture into I've got a destroyed rim. You don't see them every day. Wind turbine blades, just a little one. Nowhere near as big as the one that was in the Hull city centre that I did a video about. Waiting's too much for the old fella there.
Waiting's too much for the old fella there.
I think that cyclist has a magic bike. Or one that's technically technically a motor vehicle. Because it's quite impressive that I've followed them for a good mile and they haven't pedalled at all. This is not downhill.